Worried a gold IRA company might just be telling you what you want to hear? Here's a simple way to check if they're really built on trust or just trying to close a sale. Not every gold IRA provider operates with the same level of integrity. And unfortunately, some sound helpful but are trained to close hard. If you want to avoid that kind of pressure and make a truly informed choice, this checklist can help. This is Augusta's Company Integrity Checklist. It walks you through specific red flags to watch for, like aggressive sales tactics, vague pricing, and bonus offers that sound great but come with a catch. Here's one of the big ones. Does the company make it hard to get written pricing upfront? If they do, that's a red flag. Transparent providers give you full cost breakdowns without needing to chase them down. Another item here, do they focus more on urgency than education? If the conversation feels rushed or emotionally charged, they may not be prioritizing your long term interests. You can use this checklist as a filter, whether you're comparing companies or just getting a feel for what questions to ask. I'll link this one in the description. This checklist is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It includes 8 downloadable PDFs, all focused on helping you make smart, confident decisions. This particular guide, the Company Integrity Checklist, is especially useful if you're still comparing companies or feeling unsure about who to trust. If you would like to grab the full 8 guide bundle, I've linked it down below. It's totally free, beginner friendly, and designed to help you move forward with clarity, not confusion. It's worth reviewing before you commit to any provider.